If your partner is not buying you flowers on your first date, you are dating a wrong man. And if you're following such advices on internet, you need to revive your brain. When we say that we want the princess treatment, we are sort of acting like we want to pick the things from patriarchy that favors women, and we don't want to choose the ones that does not favor women. Most importantly, if you choose a man based on how much princess treatment he's giving you, or is he buying you flowers or not, I'm sorry to say you ladies, you will miss out on a lot of good men. While choosing a life partner, we don't look for, oh, is he going to buy me flowers or not? We choose men based on the qualities he has, the core values he possesses, the kind of respect he has towards you and towards other people. And by no means I'm saying you that your man should not get you flowers. If you like flowers, so be it. You just have to communicate with him that you like flowers. Because so many Indian men are not taught to get flowers for their women or give them the princess treatment. That doesn't make them a bad man. That just makes them unaware, which is completely fine. If you like someone and if you communicate with them, they will bring it for you. The right ones are gonna bring it for you if you communicate it well. But my idea is having these things as a criteria before choosing a man, it's not working, and it should not be a criteria, coming from a feminist myself. And the thing is, right now in this generation, a lot of men wants to change for good. A lot of men are trying to be better. And in this whole game, if we try to destroy them by saying, oh, you are a princess, should I give you a lip gloss? Because I've seen a couple of videos like this where women try to belittle some men by saying that, oh, you are a woman, you need a princess treatment. And the last thing I want to say is, whatever you see on internet, the women's, the wife and the girlfriend who comes out over here and say, oh, see what my man got for me, the flowers, how he gives me princess treatment. And I'm not pointing out on anyone, but a lot of time it is fake. Do not compare your life by seeing someone on social media. Do not have those standards while choosing a life partner. I'm not saying you to reduce your standards. I am saying you that when you have high standards, should be based on the values that person has. Does he respect you? Does he pushes you to be your best? Is he good for your development? So flowers was never in the equation. Don't bring it in the equation. If you like it, communicate. He will get it for you. If he doesn't, that's a different story. But having that as a criteria, that a lot of young girls falling for it, please don't do it.